fire's coming, Mommy! The fire's coming!
Where's it coming from?
The police, hospital!
Oh, yeah?
It's gonna get fire! You talked to him.
Oh, I talked to him? Okay, hello? Oh, you're looking for Captain Book? I'm gonna drop the baby. You're looking for Captain Book? Captain Book's right here. We're looking for you.
It's fire!
Here.
Fire! I just see you good, the Captain Boot. That's his boot. I'm here. You got the boot. Talk to Captain Boot.
Okay. Captain Book, oh, yes, Commander Hudson's here. He's going to take over the situation, and it's going to be a code 4. Here you go, Commander Hudson.
Okay, totally get that.